You don't have to be on a diet or be weight conscious to love this recipe. It's very healthy and a great way to enjoy the taste of fried foods without the frying.
Welcome back to Sophia's Passion for Cooking. I'm a host, Sophia. In this video, I'm sharing a simple air fryer recipe. Before I start, I just want to say a special thanks to you for your continuous support. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe and also hit the bell to see all my uploads immediately. Let's get started.
I'm using 1 pound of skinned salmon. In a pan, add a teaspoon of oil. I'm using 1 teaspoon of olive oil and 3 tablespoons of water on medium heat. I'm going to steam the salmon for 5 to 6 minutes. Add some salt. I'm using Himalayan pink salt and cover it. Flip it once halfway through cooking. Turn it off and set it aside. Shred the fish with a fork or a spoon. Into that, add 1 boiled potato, 1 chopped onion, 1 celery stalk chopped, green chilies according to your taste, 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala. If you want to know how to make homemade garam masala, please check the link above. 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper, 1/8 teaspoon of cumin powder, salt to taste. I'm using Himalayan pink salt, 1/2 teaspoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice, 1/2 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. If you want to know how to make ginger garlic paste, please check the link above. Let all the ingredients get well incorporated. Use your clean hands to make a medium-sized bowl and then flatten it just like this. I made 19 patties out of 1 pound of fish. In a bowl, crack open an egg. Into that, add 1 teaspoon of water and beat it well. We also need breadcrumbs. I'm using Italian style breadcrumbs which add some flavor. Take each patty, quick drench into the egg wash and dip it in the breadcrumbs. Prepare all the patties like this. In the meantime, preheat the air fryer for 3 to 4 minutes on 400 Fahrenheit. Apply some oil on the top. I'm using olive oil. Preheating is done. Take the basket out and spread some oil. Place the patties oil side down so that you can apply more oil on the other side as well. Cook at 400 Fahrenheit for 10 to 12 minutes and flip them once. It took 12 minutes for me. It came out very well. Serve them hot with your favorite sauce. I'm serving it with some tomato sauce and some tomato ketchup.
Thanks for joining. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Check out my other videos. Bye bye. Stay home and stay safe.